Hello, this is Nephew, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Terengineer, and welcome back for the PC build for the same. After 3 months, we still not behaving for the bug. So let's talk about for the previously PC build on the Intel Core Ultra 7 265K and the RTX 5060 Ti 16GB. Alright, so then here's for the first ASUS TUF Gaming D890 Pro Wi-Fi motherboard plus Intel Core Ultra 7 265K. Those are looking. Okay, I choose him because I want to editing videos and play games, something small. So then that's how I choose the Intel Core Ultra 7 and the D890 for the TUF Gaming. I want to create for this video. I already have for the using the Elgato port. So next, memory, Kingston full DDR5, 5600 MHz, 64GB with one single is on the 32 for double. So I choose this one. I want to the extend memory speed plus link speed. But we are here for the full gig here. All systems using the Samsung 9100 port M.2 SSD Gen 5. And then I installed for the OS and the program system. It's simple, nothing else. Next, M.2 for the Gen 1. WD Black for terabytes is SN850X for 7300. At least two M.2 SSD must be installed for his own app program, and it should be can be edited. This one is going to the SanDisk for the download on the WD Black. It should be work. And next, Gen 2 Transcend is SSD 230S for 4TB. And it's a 2.5 SATA. I installed for the Gen 2 for within 100GB plus I installed for M.2 SSD. And final data and the media using for the Seagate IronWolf 4 for the 16TB for 3.5 inch. So I use the data in the media. So then that's simple, nothing else. Alright, next is using the this is so big. Right here. ASUS TUF Gaming C2 216 ARGB. And then I choose here my first product choose here was that's not enough for that's good enough for the pressure with that's a problem. I don't think the temperature is getting overheat on the CPU. Plus it doesn't check on that one and bind to this the turbo base. ASUS RG-07. I don't know why. Then the CPU cooler has already was in the turbo test. Then it's just by the external turbo base. I don't know. So now I use this one. I won't use the water CPU cooler for the turbo base. I have no idea why. And next, the case is a TUF Gaming GG02. I put in the previously video right here. This bug is too big, and install is easy, but she can support for the ETS just behind for the cable can install it. And she has already installed for the 140mm fan, the full. Alright, so the next power supply, ASUS TUF Gaming 1000 watts and 80 gold watching ignitions. So this power supply has support ATX 3.1. Before is a black one is a ATX 3.0. Also ATX 50,000 is almost coming out, I guess. And then this is easy for install. And the cable is not just very hard. It's just like the stock is something. But next I have no idea. He's buying for the RGB fan hub. And then it's only the GT502 you can use it. And then I don't want to use it, so I put it back. Because I will check in the CPU cooler, the fans situation for the checking, and I plug it into the motherboard on the 36 fan number 3. Just follow here and just check on the status. And next, install the graphics card before I use this Corsair Elgato 4K port. So then it can up to the 8K60 for the PS2. It control about the 4K 60 HDR, but this is she can support for the multi view for on this country card. Yeah, that's crazy, you know. Also, then can support the PC, console, tablet, and the mobile. So yeah, and finally the graphics card. I choose the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5060 Ti 16GB. Includes for the OC edition, and the CPU still can augment OC. So I choose the 6GB because I want to the 2K for the gameplay. So that's a monitor has been already changed. Alright, so that's 3 months after. So there's a RGB for the Kingston memory. Yeah. Kingston memories ARGB is the only one issues, but it's not happening with memory issues. So then it's pretty very good. So then there's a monitor here. Then you can see I changed to the Philips 276 Echo. So this can up to the 4K 16. Yeah, that's crazy. I have no idea. But I choose the 2K running for the game. That's no problem. Now I have the second monitor use the GeForce 22VD for the check out the OBS live streaming status. Right. So final Windows 11 port. The OS system. I forgot that. So now I choose that because I went to the advanced for the check out the status. That's all good. That's all. It's all after that 3 months after I don't see any issues. I don't see any issues. So then, yep, it's all success. Then you can watch it for the previously 2 videos. One is upgrade graphics card, the other one is the PC build. So then that's it on the PC builds for them. Thanks for watching one. Hope you enjoyed guys this video. Please give a like, thumbs up, smash the button. Please subscribe, click the bell, and change on notification. Won't miss an upload show with the live stream. If you join the TJ's fan, link in description down below in YouTube channel. Super thanks is now available. But as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.